Yeah, we enjoyed our stay in Zim site. We are coming from Zim site, coming to South Africa. The cars that you are seeing moving from South Africa side, going towards Zimbabwe side. Then we are here. We are going back to South Africa. We are moving back to South Africa. As you can see, people are moving from South Africa coming to Zim site. We are coming from Zim site going towards South Africa side. This is the Beitbridge Limpopo River. This is the river that you see separating South Africa and Zimbabwe. The river is empty, as you can see. The river is now getting empty. You can see the view of the Limpopo River. This is the update of today, Sunday, where we are here at Beitbridge, on top of the Beitbridge site of South Africa, of Zim site. We are in Zim site. You can see this is the border site of Zimbabwe. This is the border site of Zimbabwe. Yeah, we have brought the Zim site close to you. As you can see on your screen, this is what is happening here at the Beitbridge, Zimbabwe side. Now, we are giving you the view of the Limpopo River. This is the view of the Limpopo River. As you can see, we said the Limpopo River is empty. This is the pictures of the Limpopo River, which you can see it's empty. Haina meti ya makalo. Limpopo River, it's getting empty. There's no rains. Hauna dipula yona tsela eo. Hauna dipula. The view of the Limpopo River. Yeah, this is the view of Limpopo River. Yeah, this is the beautiful morning of Sunday. As you can see, this is what is happening at Beitbridge. Live, we are here live. We are bringing you live pictures coming from the Beitbridge side of Zimbabwe. We are coming from Zimbabwe side. We are coming to South Africa side. Thank you for staying with us.